terms of the legal landscape, let me maybe begin, Rachel, with what the president described as a big win. I think those were his words just a few moments ago. That big win, let me break that down for you. The president's legal team asked for two things. Number one, they wanted to move their observers, and there were more than a dozen, I believe the number is 15, observers who had been in the room the whole time. They wanted to move them from 10 feet to 6 feet in order to observe. In addition to that, they wanted the count to be completely stopped. Well, they lost in one court, they appealed to another, and this is what they want. They were allowed to now move their observers from 10 feet to 6 feet, and the count continued. I must say, in the midst of a pandemic where cases are rising, the idea that the President of the United States thinks it's a big win to be 4 feet closer and breathing down someone's neck as they open up an envelope and count these legal votes is pretty silly. But that's the legal landscape right now. That is what they are touting as a big win. The most important thing for people to know, Rachel, is the count's continuing. These are legal votes cast by eligible voters. And soon, as Kornacki sort of demonstrated before, you see it's going 12, 13,000 or so an hour. Soon we will know the results. But the bottom line is we're following the law. It's a legal process, and the will of the people will be respected here in Pennsylvania.
Let me ask you about another challenge.